Here you see a mirror that directs solar radiation to these plants, which therefore receive 2 times more solar radiation, this flux directly from the sun, and this flux from the mirror, which is important for greenhouses. Let's see how those plants with this mirror grow better than the same plants here, without a mirror. These are the same plants without a mirror: radish, onion, mustard, and all of them were planted 15 days ago. This is an opportunity to see a classic example of plants in conditions of insufficient solar radiation, and therefore the plants are noticeably tilted in the southern direction. At the same time, these plants with the mirror stand vertically. A little later I removed the excess radishes from both containers, and let's see what happens next with this radish. We see that about half of the radish stems are lying down because they lost the support of the neighboring stems, but they lay in different directions in the container with the mirror. In addition, the leaves have noticeably increased in size, and the stems have launched a third leaf which has already noticeably increased on many stems. At the same time, in a container without a mirror, the radishes lie in the same direction, and the leaves are small, and a third leaf, although it appears on some stems, is much weaker than on that container with the mirror. I remind you that both containers used the same soil, and the same plants were planted at the same time. This was the behavior of the sun in the beginning and middle of January, and you can see that there was sunshine almost every day, which is not normal for January in my region of central Ukraine, but the next 2 or 3 weeks are forecast to be cloudy.